How to make a TikTok video. To make a TikTok video, first download the TikTok app. Then once in the app, go to the menu at the bottom of your screen and select the plus symbol in the center of the menu. Here is where you can make your TikTok video. Here you can either record a new video or choose from pre-existing video and images in your camera roll. If you're recording a new video, you can click Effects, which shows different filters that you can apply to your video. If you click Upload, you can choose from existing videos and photos from your camera roll. Choose as many videos or images you'd like to add and click Next. Here you can trim the video by dragging the toggles on either side of the video. At the bottom corner of your screen, you can also adjust the speed of your video by clicking the timer. You can either slow down your video or speed it up. If you need to rotate your video, you can click the rotate button in the bottom corner of your video. Each tap rotates it 90 degrees. Once you have this much of your video edited, you can click Next. In this next screen, you can add sounds, visual effects, text, stickers, filters, and voiceovers to your video. Sounds provides you with different music and sound effects that TikTok has in their library. You can also click the More button to find more. Under Effects, you can add visual effects, motion effects, transitions, split screens, and timing effects to your video. Under Text, you can use different fonts and colors to add a text overlay to your video. And the Stickers button allows you to add different stickers and emojis to your video. In the top right-hand corner, you have the opportunity to add a filter to your video. And you can also add a voiceover for any narration you may like. Once your editing is done, click Next in the bottom of the screen. In this section, you can add a description to your video, any popular hashtags you may like, and you can tag other friends. You can also set your privacy settings by selecting who can see the video, if it's anyone on TikTok, followers that you follow back, or if it's private and only visible to you. You can also disable comments by switching off the Allow Comments toggle. TikTok automatically saves the video to your device once it is posted, but if you don't want it saved to your device, you can also switch off that toggle. Once your video is ready to post, just click Post. If you then go back to your profile page, you'll see that your video has now been posted. And that is how to make a TikTok video. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.